Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com. Today I have this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, numbers matching 350 small block automatic transmission, finished, repainted in its factory Olympic gold poly color. Beautiful on the car, white painted top on the car, which came with this from day one. All of the body panels look really nice on the car. I do see a body stamping on this quarter, so I know that's pretty much original there on the sheet metal. The other side is very hard to see, but I want to say it's an original panel car. Not 100%, but I am pretty sure it is. Very solid little Camaro. Excellent chrome on the car. You got the dual exhaust, the original hubcaps on the Camaro. Yes, they don't look the best, but you know what? It's old school, man, and they can be changed to whatever you want. Really cool, nostalgic look on this Olympic gold Camaro. Excellent front chrome on it. Great grille on the car. Like I said, body lines are nice and crisp. Door jambs are beautiful. The white hockey stripe is there. Car stance on the car is really nice. It's got that factory original look to it on how it sits. It hasn't been modified. Listen, it's an original 350 car, numbers matching. Glass is good on the car. Everything rolls up and down really nice. Black standard interior on the Camaro. Appears to be all original. Even the door buzzer works. Check it out. Door panels look great. Door lips all original. No rot, no rust. Door jambs look great. Seat belts intact. 6x9s in the package tray. All the lighting on the interior works. Excellent dash on it. Original steering wheel on the vehicle. This car is showing 87,163,000 miles, believed to be original. I'm going to fire this thing up. Carpet looks good, and we're going to go for a little test drive, guys. Okay, let's check this out. Let's go. I got to throw a little charge on the battery. We should be okay. Turn signals, yes, they function. Headlights work, brake lights work, wipers are working, radio functions, heat works, horn works, tire pressure is good. We check the oil, the coolant, we check the brake fluid, the power steering fluid. Let's see, check the transmission fluid, speedo functions, temp gauge, oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge, all function. And yes, it does have a spare tire. Factory spare tire appears to be in the trunk. Guys, this is it. If you want a nice cruiser, you want something different to the car shows or cruising around, then this is it. Because no one's gonna not too many people are gonna pull up in an Olympic gold Camaro. Everyone wants to, the blues, the reds. Come on. The older that I'm getting, the more appealing these colors are, and this color does grow on you. This thing drives, honestly, great, very easy to maneuver with the power steering. Brakes are manual, but they do stop well on the car. Nice and quiet going down the road. It's not a hot rod. I mean, you can turn into whatever you want, but it's only original one time, guys. Transmission, the automatic transmission shifts excellent going down the road. You hit the brake, it doesn't pull left, it doesn't pull right. I think you'll be very pleased with the drivability of the Camaro. I think the first person to come see this thing is going to write the check. That's the kind of car it is. We go through hundreds of cars in a 1 year time frame, and this is a nice cruising 69. Sun visors all appear to be original. Like I did mention, the seat belts all intact there. Carpet is nice and clean. It's got black floor mats as well. sure if it's a posi unit or not, but I'll find out shortly. I believe the gear ratio is the low 300s, because you can take this on the highway and cruise it at 80 miles an hour. We're going to head back to mgmclassiccars.com warehouse. We have over 100 classics. We do travel the country to find beautiful classic cars. We look at 10, 12 of them before we even make one purchase. So we do our due diligence as well, and our pre-delivery inspection reports, making sure what works and what doesn't, like I mentioned to you earlier. Let's just pull over here. There's someone behind us. Not a car that's going to smoke the tires, but it's a nice cruising car. That's what it is. It's got pickup, don't get me wrong. No rattles when you're hitting the bump. It goes straight down the road. So if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. It's the red button on the bottom of your screen. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. If you need financing, and if your credit score is between 600 and 739 to 740, please go to mgmclassiccars.com. You'll be able to fill out the application there. You will need 10% down for that. Rates are between 5 and 7% to qualified buyers. And if your credit score is like 740 or higher, it's a no money down option. Rates are like 3 to 4%. And if you have that credit score, they go up to 84 months on both banks. Go directly to my lender's website at lightstream.com. Once you get approved, please get in touch with me right away. Let me know. I'm going to leave my phone number at the end of the video. If you need delivery, text me your zip code. For those of you who do not text, you can make a phone call. If I answer, I will return the call, leave a voicemail. So my number is 847-848-1850. Again, my name's Thomas. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com. Have a great day.